Okay, we now have a Arduino demo with the Wii Nunchuck with LED lights attached. Here's the sketch I'm using. It uses both the wire and the Nunchuck libraries. It initiates these as variables, and I'm also using nominating the lowest and the highest pin, and then through this loop here we can tell each pin to be an output, setting the baud rate, setting the connection, the initial connection there, and within this 1/10 of a second loop we're getting the data from the Nunchuck library, passing these variables over to these variables, printing them off to the serial port, and then we're checking LED, and we're going to check an LED gauge. So within check LED method we're checking whether the variable, each variable is within a certain range. If it is more than 140 or less than 120, then turn the light on. If not, turn it off. And it does that on all the variables, X and Y, the buttons, the joysticks, and then the gauge has the accelerometer, the Y-axis accelerometer, and then if the values are 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, they'll light up a corresponding LED. And if I show you the board, I have these LEDs set up. I have 10 there for my gauge. I have these pins for the LEDs, and I have this connection for the Wii Nunchuck, to these I2C connections, and then if I can have it working, forward for the gauge, down, up, down, and then these yellow lights, so it's forward, down, left, right, and then the joystick, up, down, left, and right, C and Z button, and then we can do them all